Hello guys, Roman here. I'm continuing the series of BattleTech terrain builder videos, and today we are going to create a map tile for our builder. In my previous videos I already created a hill tile and two variants of caps for horizontal surfaces. Check them out to know what's going on. All project files are available on my Patreon. Use the link in the description if you want to download them. I'm continuing to work on the project from previous videos. I have renamed all the pieces and brought the hill tile to visibility. Let's select it, tap to enter edit mode, hold Option or Alt click here to select this perimeter, hold also Shift and select all the parts of the inner perimeter. Shift D to duplicate it, Escape to leave it in place, P for separation, S selection. Now we can hide original tile. We'll switch edit mode here. A to select all and bring this to 3.6 on Z axis. Tap to exit edit mode, Shift A to bring the add menu, mesh cylinder. We're going with 6 vertices, 19.1 radius. All other elements are based on hexes with 19 radius, so we are adding small tolerance. 1.8 for depth, and here 0.9 on Z-axis. Click on Z-axis icon here for top-down view. We will zoom in. As you can see, this part is slightly bigger than we need. We will fix that. Select this, tap to enter edit mode. 1 for vertices editing. We will select all of this. X and V to delete this. Zoom in. We will merge these two vertices, M and L, merge it last, same here, M and L. Now press G twice to move this vertex along the edges, and be sure that you have snapping to edges on, GG. Move it here, same here. Okay, now we have a perfect snap. Now we can select all of this, press F to create a face. Same here, F, A to select all, E to extrude, Z to lock on Z axis, and we are going with -1.8 here. 3 for faces editing. We will get rid of these faces. We don't need them. We want to restore our hex shape, X and F. Tap to exit edit mode. We will add generate array modifier here. We are going with object offset here. Select empty. 120 degrees here. 3 segments. We'll apply this modifier. Command or Control A. Press Tab to enter edit mode. A to select all. M to merge. And B by distance. We're removing duplicate vertices. Press Tab to exit edit mode. We're going back to 0 here. And now we can merge these two pieces together. Select this and this. Command or Control J to merge them. Our map tile is basically done. I also want to add a gap here. Shift A mesh cylinder. We have added the same cylinder that we have before. I'm going with 8 depth. Let's say 12 radius. Okay. And we can increase our radius, but be sure that this cylinder is smaller than this inner shape. Let's go with 12.8 here. Hold Shift click here. And now I'm bringing my Bool Tools menu, Control Shift B. And I'm selecting difference here to make a gap. Let's zoom out. Shift D to duplicate this piece. Move it somewhere here. Tap to enter edit mode, 1 for vertices editing. Select this vertex. Shift S for snapping menu. Cursor to selected. Tap to exit edit mode. Right click here and set origin to 3D cursor. Now go to snapping options, select snapping to vertices. Press G to move this piece and snap it here. Select this piece. We will copy this value on X. Okay, we'll add array modifier, generate array. We are going with constant offset, and distance on X, we are pasting our value. We have array here. Now we can join this piece to this, Command or Control J. As you can see, we have 4 pieces already. Now we will add another array. We are going with constant offset, 0 here. And on Y, we are going with our radius, multiply it 3 times. And you see a perfect match here. Now we can play with numbers. Let's go with 5 here and 3 here. And we have our map tile ready for export. Let's recalculate normals to avoid possible problems. Press Tab to enter edit mode, A to select all, Shift N to recalculate normals, Tab to exit edit mode. Now we can export it. File, Export, STL. Let's call it map. Selection only, export. Let's slice it. I'm going with Prussia. Let's add it to plater. Okay. Here you want to go with 15 degrees rotation on Z-axis. Let's check print settings. I'm going with 2 walls. Let's go with 0.15 millimeter layer height. Let's slice it. And now you see that our infill pattern direction is matching to our hex's direction. That's why we rotated our map tile. So let's go printing. This is printed map tile. I've also printed a couple of hill tiles and caps earlier, and now let's build some scenery. As you can see, I've got a sturdy and fancy piece that will definitely find its way into my BattleTech games. Happy printing, guys! Thank you guys so much for watching this video, hope you enjoyed it. Now you can print out whole BattleTech maps for your games. In my next video we will recreate 3D printable iconic power armor helmet, so stay tuned. And see you again, bye!